Well, hello there. Courtney Murphy, Denver Metro Realtor here to give you your November 2024 real estate market update. And the question of the day is Is the Denver real estate market rebounding? If you take a look at the numbers, it kind of tells that story. Let me show you what I'm talking about. So the median sales price in the month of September, at the end of September. Remember, we are or I'm sorry, end of October. It's the year is going so quick. I'm not even sure where I'm at, but I'm going to do my best for you. But we'll be looking at the October numbers since I won't have November till December. But the median sales price at the end of October came in at $599,975. This was up 4.34% from the prior month. That's quite a significant jump from September, and up 3.27% over October of 2023. So, but up both month over month, year over year, looking good, right? The number of sold homes, we had 3,443 homes sell in the month of October. This was up 2.35% from the prior month and up 7.96% from October of 2023. Same thing with pending sales. We had 3,578 homes go under contract in the month of October, up 1.07% from the prior month, up 21.7%, quite a bit from October of 2023. Inventory came in at 10,940 homes on the market at the end of October. This is up down 1.57% from the prior month. Is still up from last year, but we've been up from last year quite a bit every single month, so that's not surprising. But up 46.22% from October of 2023. So sales prices up, more homes closing, more homes pending. What the heck? Are we seeing a little bit of a rebound? Is the market taking off again? Well, like I said, if all you're looking at is the numbers, it does appear to look that way. However, there is a story behind it. So one of the things we want to remember is that the homes that are sold probably went under contract in September. Most homes are under contract for about 30 days, right? And we did have quite a few homes that went pending. We were up there as well, and those did go pending in October. So what happened? Well, what happened is we had some interest rate decreases in September, beginning of October. Interest rates were looking great. So we've had a lot of buyers just kind of sitting on the sidelines. And so when the rates started dropping, going closer to 6%, people jumped in that were sitting on the sidelines, and we had some sales. They increased, more people were buying, pushed that sales price up just a little bit. And what happened was the economic reports came out, things looked a little better. The Fed retracted on some of those, interest rate decreases. Rates went up back to around 7% by the end of October. So second half of the month, a lot less people were buying. And so are we on a rebound? Not exactly. For a moment, we had a bump. And we normally see kind of an October bump anyway, but with those interest rates, we saw a bump. So, and then it slowed back down towards the end of the month. So we'll just have to see what happens from here. The election is over. Historically, prior to an election, people don't like to make big decisions, any sort of big financial decisions. Just that uncertainty makes people hold on to their money. So election is over. And historically, the market, sees an increase after an election. So that'll probably be the same sort of thing happening this year. And of course, looking into spring, it's all going to depend on the rates. We'll see our normal seasonal bump for sure, but the interest rates will make a big difference. If we see some decreases and if the economy is doing a little bit better too, which we'll just have to wait and see, we could see just a bustling spring of real estate, which I would be looking forward to, obviously. But we'll just have to see how it goes. Um, One other thing that I want to talk about is a lot of people ask me this time of year about whether it's a good time to buy or sell. Sometimes you find yourself in the situation that even though it's around the holidays, it's winter time, not the most ideal time to sell a home. You still need to sell. I don't know, job transfer, divorce, those sorts of things tend to spur those types of selling needs this time of year. So one of the things I got to say is that there are still buyers out there, not as many for sure. But the good thing about buyers that are buying around the holidays is they are often in the same position where they need to find a house. Whether you're buying or selling a home, it's not ideal around the holidays. So the buyers that are out there tend to be serious buyers. You'll have more buyers in the spring, but a lot of those can be more of the looky-loos. Maybe we find a house, maybe we don't. People shopping this time of year are serious. So, or at least typically serious. So if you do have your house listed, that is one thing that can be very beneficial to you. Same thing, sellers. A lot of the sellers that are selling this time of year, especially if they're listing in, between Thanksgiving and Christmas, they're the type that need to get their homes sold typically. And you will see a lot of people pulling their houses off the market and relisting in the spring, but some people are just going to hold out. They usually need to sell a little bit more than maybe the people pulling their houses from the market. And like I said, the people listing right now, they need to get it sold. So keep those things in mind if you are buying or selling in the market right now. My favorite time to list is about mid-March, beating out that rush that we see in April. I also like April. That's my second favorite month, but I like a mid to late March listing. Just giving you my opinion there. Okay. Anyway, my name's Courtney Murphy, Denver Metro Realtor. If you are planning to buy or sell a home in the Denver area, certainly give me a call. Let's chat, see if we're a good fit to work together. Let me answer some of your questions. And of course, be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss out on any of my updates or home tours around the Denver area. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you have a super day. Happy Thanksgiving.